Day 161 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem. This time we're at day 161 and we're still going strong, y'all. We're still staying disciplined and we're still staying consistent because you already know that's what we do. That's what this channel is all about, as well as doing a LeetCode problem every day and increasing our knowledge and and trying to learn something every day. You know, we're just trying to have some productive days. We're trying to stay productive, and we're encouraging each other to stay productive as well. So with all that being said, y'all, don't forget to bring the mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. Then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and we could do our part as Swift community members to push this content out to a broader audience, y'all. As Swift community members, it's up to us to help the community to grow. In order to do that, one way we could do that is to share this Swift content with as many people as we can find that will watch it. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tune into this YouTube channel so we all can embark on this LeetCode journey together, y'all. Now, with all that being said, let's get into the question. And today we have question number 448. Find all numbers disappeared in an array. The difficulty level is easy, so if you've been on this channel before, you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well, because we're all here on this channel trying to learn something. And if you walk away from this channel and you don't understand the solution, then you probably didn't learn anything, and that is not what we want, y'all. So let's see what the question says. It says, given an array nums of n integers where nums I is in the range 1 to n, return an array of all the integers in the range 1 to n that do not appear in nums, y'all. So it's not that difficult to really understand, but we're going to go through it anyway. You know what I'm saying? We just have to find the missing numbers, basically. So we have the input nums, boom. Nums equals an array of integers 4, 3, 2, 7, 8, 2, 3, and 1. None or n is equal to, so n goes from 1 to n, so we're not starting from 0. In this case, we're starting from 1. It lets us know right here, if this was a 0, then we would start our count from 0, but this lets us know we can start our count from 1 even though it's an array. So let's see what our count is, right? Let's see what n is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n is 8. So we have to find all the numbers that are missing in this array from 1 to 8, right? So we have a 1 right here. Boom. We have a 2 right here. Boom. We have a 3 right here. Boom. 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 We have a 4 right here. Boom. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We don't have a 5, so we could append a 5 right here. Let's keep it moving. Oh, man. Uh-oh. We don't have a 6 either, so we can append a 6 right here. Then there it is, 7. We got the 7. Boom, and we got the 8. Boom. So we have all the numbers 1 through 8 if we include this output, right? All the missing numbers we just put in this output because 1 through n, which in this case, n is 8. So let's move on to example 2, where it's a little tricky, but we'll get through it. We'll figure it out. So in example 2, we have the input nums equals an array of integers 1 and 1. In this case, n equals 2, right? So n equals 2, but if you look, there's no 2, so we're going to append a 2. We had the 1, boom, so now we got to find the 2. No 2, so we could append the 2 because the 2 is the missing number, or the disappeared number, excuse me, y'all, the disappeared number in the array. So now that we understand what the question is asking, let's get into the fun part, the part that all keeps us going, the part that keeps us motivated when we wake up in the morning, the actual code, y'all. So let's get into it. It's not that long. First thing we're going to do is we are going to declare a variable. We're going to call that an array, colon. We're going to say array, colon, open up the square brackets, and it's going to be an array of integers, and we are going to initialize it with a blank array like so. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say let's set equal set nums. So we're just going to turn nums into a set, which is just going to be like an array of unique values or unique integers, the ones that we're working with in the array nums. Then we're going to come down here and we are going to say for I and 1, up to nums.count, open up the brackets. We're going to say if exclamation point set dot contains, open up the parentheses I. So what this says, what this is saying is, with this exclamation point, is saying if set does not contain I, what we are going to do is we're going to say array dot append I, just like that, right? Then we're going to come down here, boom, we're going to return array. Then we're going to bring our mouse right over here. Click that run button, y'all. We're going to click that run button. Let's see what happens. Drum roll. Ooh. Okay, it's accepted. So let's submit it. Make sure it stays accepted, because you know how LeetCode gets. Never know. Can never be too sure. And there it is, y'all. 174 milliseconds beats 50.92% of users with Swift, y'all. Not too bad. We're not looking too shabby out here, y'all. And we're actually learning something. I hope y'all learned something today, and I hope to see y'all tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.